Hello and welcome on my channel. In second part of my tutorial I will show you how to paint Termagant body. Before we start to paint we need to prepare our wet palette. To do this we need to make a few steps. Step 1. Take a regular plate. Those with flat surface are the best for this task. Step 2. Put few pieces of towel paper on it. Step 3. Use a little amount of water to make the paper wet. Step 4. Put one piece of baking paper on wet towel paper. Step 5. Use a tiny bit of water on baking paper and spread the water around whole piece. When our wet palette is ready, we can start to paint our minifigures. I took a drop of paint and thinned it on the palette. Then I covered the figure's surface, which should be light. Once the paint had dried, I repeated the process, applying a total of 2 coats. Then I painted all the joints and spaces that should be pink. If you make a mistake while painting tight spaces and cover the white space, don't worry, there will be time to fix it later. If your paint is properly diluted, you can remove the excess with a second brush. Next, I painted the armor plates. I repeated this process twice. Note that the figure's chest also has small armor plates that are easy to miss and also need to be painted. Now it's time to paint clothes and hose using black paint. After applying the base colors, it's time to fix any mistakes. Using right bone color, I correct any imperfections. At this stage, I mix purple contrast with the medium. I add a bit of contrast to the medium so that when applied, it will turn slightly pink and highlight the details. At this stage I dilute the dark blue heavily and cover it with black paint to differentiate the color. Next, I paint the stripes using medium blue to create a new details. Then I use light blue to highlight the edges and finally highlight the details. I also highlight the town using light pink. Using Ushabti bone color, I paint the teeth. This is the end of this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe.